Hi, my name is Rob, and I am doing a video review of Travis Wilkie and his SEO team. About 2 years ago, I started a new business and was obviously concerned about being busy, and generating inquiries, so I could stay busy with what I'm doing. I reached out to numerous companies, I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 different places, and talked to them about building a website and the SEO that needed to be in place to be an effective tool for me. I've built numerous websites for different companies myself, so I do know how important SEO is. My SEO skills are not where they needed to be, but I did know the right questions to ask and definitely knew how to grill someone on the product that they could produce. I definitely did not hold back on Travis with what I was looking for and my concerns. I feel like I might have been maybe a little bit pessimistic on what I thought he could produce, and Travis never faltered. And he told me that he could produce and he would produce, and that I would be busier than I could imagine. Um, During this process of the website, Travis was super professional, um, easy to contact, worked with him on all the content on the website, the pictures. Very easy process. Travis and his team were pros, awesome to work with. They produced a pretty amazing website that is a very effective tool in generating inquiries. I have customers all the time commenting on how nice my website is. After probably, I think it's 2 years now, year and a half, I can't even believe how busy I am. It's unreal. I've been doing my line of work for 13 years, and I used to think I was busy, but now it's insane. I can barely keep up. I feel like if I was any busier, I would probably have to quit doing what I do every day and just manage the inquiries that are coming across that are 100% generating business for me. Travis and his team have performed way beyond any expectation that I had, like not even exaggerating, 3-4 times busier than I could ever even think about being. Like I've said a number of times, Travis and his team are pros. They do a great job, and my website is performing, so much so that my competition is noticing and trying to make life difficult for me. Travis is awesome. His team is awesome. If you're looking for someone to do you a website that generates leads and someone that will continuously work to keep your website top ranked in Google, Travis will definitely make that happen. I 100% recommend Travis and his team for any website, and especially the ongoing SEO. He's good and it works. Thanks, Travis. Appreciate you, man.